Defense. India is a peace-loving country. India has always maintained cordial relationship with all the other countries in general and with its neighbors in particular. At the same time, it has to strengthen its security to defend its border from any foreign aggression. So, the government of India has given higher priorities to the defense sector. Need for defense system. National security is very essential for the political, social and economic development of any country. It is also important for the growth of a country's peace and prosperity. Indian defense system. The President of India, being the head of the state, occupies the highest position in our defense organization. He is the Supreme Commander of the Armed Forces in India. Security forces in India can be divided into Indian Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces. Indian Armed Forces. They are primary forces, consist of country's army, navy, air force and coast guard. They serve under the Ministry of Defense. Paramilitary forces. They are Assam Rifles and Special Frontier Force. Central Armed Police Forces. They are BSF, CRPF, ITBP, CISF and SSB. They serve under the authority of Ministry of Home Affairs, CAPF, work along with both army and police in different roles assigned to them. Ministry of Defense provides the policy framework and wherewithal to the armed forces to discharge their responsibilities in the context of the defense of the Department of Defense. Defense National Ministry of Defense is charged with coordinating and supervising all agencies and functions of the government relating to national security.